Hello guys, this is Mohit Kara and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna unbox Canon 60 Mark II. So let's get started. So yeah, here we are. So let's unbox. Let's open this box. Open this. Okay. So this is how it looks. I don't have the kit lens in this. I didn't get it. I just bought the body. So yeah. So here we have our camera. So they're nicely packed. Okay. So what else do we have? We have some books and we have a cord, a battery charger. This goes with the cord, and then we have a battery and a strap. I guess this is all. Nothing is in the box. The box is empty. So this is the camera. It comes with nice packaging. You'll have this cloth. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, this is light. This is not that huge. It's very light. You can see. Nice. And we have the meter here. Okay. Yeah. So good. Let's keep this aside. What else do we have? We have the battery. So this is the battery. It comes with a cap. This is the cap. Pull this off, and you can put it in the card. Let me put the battery charger. Okay, so this is the battery charger. If it blinks once, it's 0%. If it blinks twice, it is 50%. If it blinks thrice, 75%, and if it doesn't blink, then it's 100%. Cool. And then we have the cord. We have. Let me just clear this off. I'm sorry guys, this is my first unboxing video, so don't mind. Yeah. So this is the cord. You plug it into the battery charger like this, and open the cap, and then just place it in like this and give it a push. And we have a strap. This is quite long. It says Canon 60 Mark II. Okay, and what else do we have? We have a book, Canon book. So let's just put the battery inside this and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the place where you take the battery out. Just press this, open like this, and just push it in. Sorry, this way, and just push it in. If you hear that noise, see? I don't know if you can hear it this in camera. Okay, cool. So yeah, here we have the features, some of the features. And there's a meter board here. Cool. If you come to cords, there is no headphone jack. You can't hear the sound. That's one con. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's not as heavier as 5D Mark. You can easily vlog with this. You can hold this in one hand. It's not that much of a weight. Cool. So guys, if you are looking to buy a full frame camera, this is the best. This is the cheapest full frame camera you can get. This is awesome, except for that it doesn't shoot 4K and has some other cons which are not exactly cons, because we are getting it for half price of Canon 5D Mark IV. I'll be using this for a while for sure. That was me unboxing Canon 60 Mark II. If you like this video, please put thumbs up and drop down your opinions in the comment box below, and please do share this video as much as you can to support me, and also follow me on Instagram. The handle is right over here. It is Mohit Photography. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More unboxing videos coming soon. Yeah, I'll be unboxing this beast in my next video, so stay tuned. Bye bye. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. It's right on my face. Subscribe here.